welcome back to my channel Shanita Creations. In this video I am showing you how to make the beautiful wall hanging of fish. Let's get started into the video. First here I am taking my A4 sheet paper and a cut of picture of fish and I am adding here. Now I am adding the glue here. Now I am attaching this fish cut on this paper. And let it dry. After that I am taking the scissor, I am cutting like this. And continue this process like this. After cutting like this, here I am cutting these small pieces and continue this process. After cutting like this, I am adding the glue like this. Now I am folding all these papers like this and continue this process to all the fish. See, if you continue this process, you will get like this. If you back this, you will get this fish shape in the white color. Now we will start painting this. For painting this fish, we need these objects. These are the paints. Here this is the white paper to keep under the fish. These are the paintbrush and sketch. And also we need this paint plate. Also we need this glass of water. First of all I am taking these two paints. This is chrome yellow medium hue and this is lemon yellow color. After opening these caps I am taking this big brush and also I am taking this small brush. Now I am taking this small brush and dipping into this full yellow color and I am painting this half. See, like this. After painting this half, again I am taking this brush and dipping into this yellow color. Again I am starting coloring this half. If you do this process, you can blend easily. After this, I am taking my plate and just I am trying like this. Now I start how to paint this. Have you observed this? How I am painting this fish. Do this blending process 3 times. After doing this process, I am taking this paint cobalt blue hue of poster color. For painting this next step, I am taking this small paintbrush. I am dipping into this blue and starting painting. After painting this blue, I am taking this orange poster color. Here I am using to paint this orange color for this fish mouth. After painting this, I used to paint also the fish tail with the orange color. After that, remove the paper and let it dry for some time. After drying this, I am taking my sketch pen. I start painting this outline for these wings and the mouth. After that, I also drawing this fish mouth and eye. If you are interested to do with this paint, you can also do with the paint. Also, I decorated this fish like this. You can also add some more features for this fish. Here in this same way, I also created some more fishes. Total we need 4 fishes for this wall hanging. I used this same technique of blending technique for this fish. Also for this some more fishes. Now I am taking this needle and starting to do the holes for this fish. And also I am doing downside. In the same way I also do these holes for these fishes. Now I am taking white thread which is thicker of white. For this thread I attached a needle for this thread. First of all I am taking this fish and just I am taking this needle from the downside like this. Here when your thread will end, here I am doing a knot. like this. If you do this knot, this thread will stuck here. After that, do like this. And I am cutting this excess part. See, like this. After that, just take this thread to like this. Now, again I am taking this second fish, and again I am taking this needle from the upside. I am taking this fish. Here you can get like this. Just keep small space here. Now I am taking this third fish, and now I am taking this needle, and just I am doing this needle as like this. After pushing the needle, you will get like this. And now again I am taking this needle, and I am start pushing this from the upside. And you will get like this. Take this small space here like this. Now I am again taking this fourth fish. Again I am taking my needle. I start pushing this needle to back side. After pushing back side, take your needle and just start doing like this. Now here again taking this needle. Again I am start doing like this. After pushing the needle, you will get like this. See, it is showing beautifully like this. Now I am taking these jhumkas type thread structures and I am adding here. See, like this for the more attraction. If you don't have like this, just skip this store. Now I am taking this thread and just do like this. After that, take this scissor and cut up to here. After cutting this, keep this thread to back of the fish and add this glue. After adding the glue back side, it will be look like this. See how attractive like this? Just I love this very much. This is so attractive. Also this is very easy to make. You can also add some more fishes. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share my channel. See you next time in my next video.